Hello, everybody. In this opportunity, we are talking about supply chain management. Supply chain management is the process of integrating the supply and demand management not only within the organization but also across all the various members and channels in the supply chain so they work together most efficiently and effectively. There are five basic components in a supply chain management system. Component 1, planning. To meet customers' demands, supply chain managers have to plan ahead. This means forecasting demands, designing the supply chain intentionally, and determining how the organization will measure the supply chain to ensure it is performing as expected in terms of efficiency, delivering value for customers, and helping to achieve organizational goals. Component 2, sourcing. Selecting suppliers who will provide the goods, raw materials, or services that create the product is a critical component of the supply chain. Not only does this include creating the contracts that govern the suppliers, but also managing and monitoring existing relationships. As part of strategic sourcing, supply chain managers must oversee the processes for ordering, receiving, managing inventory, and authorizing invoice payments for suppliers. Component 3, making. Supply chain managers also need to help coordinate all the steps involved in creating the product itself. These include reviewing and accepting raw materials, manufacturing the product, quality testing, and packaging. Generally, businesses evaluate the quality, production output, and employee productivity to ensure overall standards are upheld. Component 4, delivering. Ensuring the products reach the customers is achieved through logistics and it's fundamental to supply chain success. This includes coordinating the orders, scheduling delivery, dispatching, enforcing, and receiving payments. Generally, a fleet of vehicles must be managed to ship the products. Component 5, returning. Supply chain managers also need to develop a network that supports returning products. In some cases, This may include scrapping or reproducing a defective product. In others, it may simply mean returning a product to the warehouse. This network needs to be responsible and flexible to support customers' needs. And then we move to the supply chain models. While the processes can be similar, SCM does not look the same at every company. As is the nature of business, each company has their own unique supply chain management system that is tailored to each industry and production needs. The first, continuous flow model. The most traditional supply chain method, the continuous flow model, is one where companies run a linear process from supplier to customer. This model expects that customer demand will not fluctuate to unexpected levels. Model 2, custom model. Highly specialized industries tend to use a custom model due to their unique production needs. And then model 3, fast model. Quick turnover is an essential aspect of the fast model, as the products typically have a short life cycle. Meeting demand for trends and new releases is the main focus of this model. And then model 4, agile model. Flexibility is a key priority in this model, as customers' demands can change quickly. The agile model requires the ability to make fast and accurate decisions in order to respond to those changes accordingly. The difference between the agile model and the flexible model is that the agile model does not require any prior knowledge of demand. And then the fifth model, flexible model. A flexible supply chain can easily increase or decrease production to meet unpredictable demand. Companies functioning under the flexible models tend to rely on seasonality and customer trends in order to meet market needs. And then the sixth model, efficient model. Companies functioning under an efficient model depend on using machinery and equipment in the most efficient way possible in order to reduce costs. Due to profit margins typically being tight under this model, reducing expenses and waste is a key priority. And then we move to the future of supply chain management. The next phase of supply chain management evolution will likely include the deployment of artificial intelligence resources and machine learning to speed the processing of data and expand the utility of its results. And supply chain planning, a periodic undertaking in the past, will become a continuous improvement process. I think it is enough on this session. Thanks for watching. Don't forget give this channel with your like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you.